Hey guys, this is Lucas, and welcome to another video here on Arc++. I'm recording this video because I felt like letting you know that I upload most of my videos onto my private channel, as you can see here. So recently I've been explaining the automaton, which is a computer scientific concept, and just now I uploaded a video on how to implement it in Haskell. So if you want to see that, you can check it out on my channel, but be aware that I don't only upload computer science related videos onto that channel, but also private videos like here Ocean Beach, West San Francisco. I could theoretically put it on private or unlisted, but I like what it looks like, so I uploaded it. And it's a very short clip too, like 22 seconds, so not big of a deal. But I also have some other videos like summer break, just explaining here I actually am in around San Francisco, and here just some philosophical idea that I wanted to share with my friends and so on. So just be aware of that, and I'll upload way more of that kind very soon. So Arc++ will sort of be inactive. The reason for that is because I don't want to actually have a channel that is supposed to be active, like have a schedule and release permanently, consistently. I just want to have my private channel where I can upload whenever I have an idea that I find is relevant for people to see. And that is my private channel, so go subscribe if you feel like it, knowing that it won't only be computer science videos that are on there. And yeah, have a great day. Take care.